Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In today's video, we're going to be preparing the most delicious crepes you have ever tasted. Now these crepes will be made out of oats, so they're going to be very healthy, but at the same time delicious. So let's get right into it. Now in a blender, we're going to mix together 3 cups of water, next we're going to add 1 cup of rolled oats, for our next ingredient, we're going to be using 1 cup of whole wheat flour, next ingredient will be 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You can use 1 tablespoon of honey as well instead of the maple syrup if you'd like. Next is 1 teaspoon of redmond real salt, 1 cup of almonds. Now I have set them with water for at least 4 hours just so it can activate a little bit. Now we're going to blend this together until it's creamy and smooth. Now blend this for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's smooth. Alright, now we're going to cook these delicious crepes. We're going to cook this in a medium-sized pan, placing 1/3 of a cup onto our pan and spreading as fast as we can. Now, as you can see, most of the crepe is a light color of brown, I guess you could say. We're going to wait until the rest of the crepe is the same color. As you can see, these crepes cooked pretty fast. And then we're going to flip it over. Now we're going to do the same to the rest of our batter until we have all the crepes finished. These are the finished results. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and share this video with all your friends and families. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!